Mua sige te whakatala si pamana te lai te rangi, matana tau singa, ki unga tātou koe, tātou te po tenei o Molimau, a Tamawhainga, o Tamaki Pasifika. Firstly, I would like to give thanks to our Heavenly Father for bringing us all here together to witness the great work that all our Pasiwanawa students have put in for tonight, Akamai. It is a great privilege to have you all here tonight. My name is Rosie Lareko, this is Whanimo Tangaloa. And tonight, our performance will be a role play about a single mother who came to New Zealand from the islands, hoping to live a better life for her daughter's future. But only when she got here, she found that one job wasn't enough to pay for her daughter's fees, bills, and other expenses that include sending money overseas to her family. So she ends up finding herself working 2 jobs, one from 7 a.m. to 4:30 in the afternoon, and the other is from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So sit back while we try to portray the life of a Pacific single mother who migrated to New Zealand and then finds herself struggling to provide for her daughter.
Stop, Pepe!
Mom, guess what? Today I won a certificate for being the top of the class in maths. And tonight we had like a function to celebrate the success of our students in my class. And Mom, can I ask you for a favor? Can you buy me a nice dress? Because all my friends, they're gonna buy nice dresses, and I don't have nice clothes.
Well, I'm really proud of you. Really proud of you that you got this in your business. But you know, I'm poor, I'm struggling, trying to feed you 2 jobs. Just be thankful for what you've got, alright? You don't need a nice place to have true friends. You don't need to shave the side of your head to be free. You'll find something that you really got, okay?
Thanks, Mom. Dad, I wish Mama could buy me a nice dress. I don't want to be jealous anymore about my friends. I've got homely clothes, ugly shoes, but it's alright. I can live with it. I'll make her proud, and I'll try my best to make myself. I love you.
Shop Pepe!
It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out ahead for you to hold. You can find love when you search within yourself, and the emptiness you felt will disappear. Then hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you.
On the sands of time,
that there's something there.